Hey guys, how are we doing? And welcome back to the white belt syllabus. And today's video, we're looking at the middle inner forearm outward block. Here it is. Okay, so again, this one is in walking stance. These videos are intended to focus mainly on the block and the strike. There will be another video that goes into a bit more detail on stances, but here's an overview. Okay, so for the crossing for this one, we're going to cross with the blocking hand underneath, both palms facing down towards the floor. And we want to cross our hands very slightly higher than where we finished the block. So we're coming down into position. What we don't want to do is come up into position. So a beginner mistake is to cross our hands low or down near our hip and then come up into position. Try to avoid doing that. We're going to come up. As you come up in your sine wave, certainly for the higher grades, that's when you're going to cross your hands and then you're going to release the block on the way down. We're looking for that block to finish shoulder height. We want to finish with our arms slightly bent. So we're looking for about a 90-degree angle here. Careful not to have it too close to your body or too far away from you. This block will be half facing, so your shoulders are slightly turned to the side, roughly 45 degrees. Remember to rotate your hips and your shoulders slightly so that you can use your mass in the block. We don't want to just flick with the arm. If we do this, we end up with very limited power. Most of the power is going to come from the rotation of your body. So make sure you get the timing right, move your weight in the direction of the block. Everything finishes at the same time. We're using the inner forearm for this block, so that's this section here. Again, we want to pull that reaction hand back to the hip, rotating into position. Our blocking hand will also rotate on impact. So as you hit your imaginary target, your hand will rotate into position. Try not to have your elbow tucked in towards your body. I see this a lot in beginners. If we turn our elbow in, you'll feel the outside of the shoulder start to pull there. We can see that's quite a weak position for us to be in. And in fact, later on in your Taekwondo, we start to use that to manipulate the shoulder joint for some of the self-defense movements. Try to have your elbow in line with your shoulder, as is your hand. Okay, and that's it for the walking stance middle block. Awesome job, guys, and see you in the next video.